Hi, I've got something really exciting to share with you. I was recently contacted by a subscription box company called Augusta Collections, and it's a tights subscription. And they wanted to know if I'd be interested in receiving a free subscription box in exchange of a review. So I had a look on their website and I really like what I saw. Yeah, the tights are stunning, the pictures are gorgeous, and yeah, really good range. I have opened it up, I have had a sneak peek, and I've put it all back together just to show you because it is super cute. I really like it. This is what it looks like. It comes in this gorgeous little box with a ribbon with a detailing the logo there. So this, as I said, this is a monthly subscription box. It ships worldwide from the UK. This costs £13 per month with free postage and packaging. From Europe it was €17, and from the US it would be $25. I will link all the information down below, so if you want to check that out, just click on the show more tab and it'll bring up all the information and yeah, the links and stuff like that. So yeah, so the sizing as well. Sizing I know can be a bit awkward. We are talking clothing, tights, but they come in small, medium and large, and they have a big grid, and it shows you just as you would in Next or anything like that. You know, it gives you a really good indication of what size you are, goes by your height and your weight and everything. So yeah, so I'm a size 14 to 16, but when it comes to like tights or something tight, I'm a 16, and I'm also like 5'8.5", whatever. So I'm quite tall-ish, but so I've gone for a large, so I've got large. I'll just give a bit of a lowdown about what the website says, and it says, caution, our boxes can cause an overwhelming feeling of joy. Our monthly boxes contain 2 pairs of beautiful and high quality fashion tights, as well as some opaques. We absolutely love what we do, and we want you to love receiving our boxes, so we will always send a little extra something just to say how much we appreciate having you with us. Don't forget, you can unsubscribe anytime, even though we have a feeling you might want to stick around. Here are some of the past boxes and some of the hot tights our subscribers will receive or have received. We hope you join us. Augusta Collection. There. So you can see the sort of tights. It also says, so that you know, we only do chic. This means most of our tights come in black shades, and we promise never to send you rainbow coloured ones. Very occasionally we will select beautiful shades of navy or Bordeaux, but all our items are elegant and timeless. Just take this ribbon off. So that's what it looks like inside. It's beautifully packaged, and that's the freebie gift in there. So the free gift is a gorgeous set of eyeshadow brushes. Look at those. That is so lovely. So there's a little leaflet there just promoting it. So it's a Happy New Year little leaflet talking about Anne Hathaway and style. So it's a leaflet there. And then this one is another promotional one as well. So that's another promotional one as well. So really cool. So let's open the tights. It's stuck together by a massive sticker. And this is how they arrive. This is adorable. This is so cute. I just love this little touch. Hopefully you can see if I hold it up there what it says. Can you see? What's it say? Thanks for subscribing. We hope you love your tights. To care for them, please hand wash only. Augusta Collection. Kiss kiss. So no, it's really cute, really lovely. So it's bound together by a ribbon. My first set of tights, which I'm not sure if you'll be able to see, but I will be doing a short video at the end of this with me wearing them, so you can actually see what they look like on me. But they're both black, and these are a thick woolen type. So if I just put my hand in, maybe you can have a better look that way. Oh, yeah, they're really nice. There, can you see? So they got like lines. Can you see there? If I get out the way. I'm not sure if you can see, but when I wear them now, you'll be able to tell. So they've got like ladders all the way through them, but obviously intentional. And they're really nice. Absolutely adore these type of tights. I wear a lot of dresses, or little dresses and skirts and big boots and tights, and yeah, they feel lovely. They just feel like really lovely quality tights, nice and thick, and yeah, I can't wait to start wearing them. So the next set is gorgeous. It is really cool. So I think it'd be better if I show you maybe with a card on. So they are quite thick.
I don't know the denier. There's no information to say about what the denier is unless they say inside. No. So I'd say maybe 60 denier. So, they are gorgeous. They've got these gorgeous little studs. There, if I just show you. There, that's what they look like there on the card. They've got these gorgeous, gorgeous, pretty little diamante type studs all throughout, all over them. They are beautiful. Let me put my hand in. Can you see my hands? You can see my hand through it. So these gorgeous, gorgeous little stones are so pretty. Woo! Really pretty. And a bit different than usual, you know. You can dress them up or you could like dress them down, nice and funky boots. So that's what I received in this box. Two completely different pairs, but equally both gorgeous, and I can't wait to wear them. Can't wait. I think I'll probably wear these ones more. They're more like day to day, you know, these thicker ones. So they have got a promotion going on at the moment. So if you are interested in this subscription, if you and a friend decide you both want to go for it, then when you go through the subscription process online, and that you will see a comments box. So if you, in that comments box, if you were to type in Diary of a 40 something, that will be the code to entitle you to the freebie, and then you type in your friend's name, and then your friend, when she signs up, she would do the same, write my Diary of a 40 something name and also your name. So that would tell Augusta Collection that there's two friends signing up. So you will get a free limited edition extra box with your second month's box. So if you have a year subscription or whatever, you will get 13 boxes instead of the 12. So yeah, so that's going on at the moment. So I'll link information down below. I'll write down what you'll have to do, but yeah, so it's there if you're interested. So yeah, so I hope you like this video. I'm going to insert now a video of me actually wearing the tights, which I'm going to film now. And yeah, just to show you what they look like. And if you liked it, please leave a thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel. I have got another subscription box that I was given for free in exchange of a review, and I love it. It's a Japanese box. It's so cool, it's so cool. That'll be coming up next week. But yeah, so stay tuned and I'll speak to you soon. Take care, bye bye.